Wording, enable, yeah.
Okay.
So the 4 metrics, that will be the free time slots because you cannot fail, because this one is, diba, I announced that every Friday or Saturday. So you just have to
Open.
realize that if you didn't fail the previous time that you opened the schedule, the 4 weeks, all you needed to do is add another week, Monday to Sunday, and then choose your day.
Mm,
So add
mhm.
ka lang ng add, right?
I see.
Okay, Tem.
So that is for full time. It's basically, if you check it, it's, you can also check it from your side. That's 48 hours a week, and then that's 192 hours for 4 weeks. Of course, if you have a filed leave, you just minus the, let's say, 1 day minus 8, and if it's peak, it increases to 9 hours. But for teacher field, you open more than that.
Yes, miss.
So
Wow.
actually teacher field, let's say you open 12, and then you will close 2 hours for the next 3 days. You don't need to inform the TA because the requirement is only 8 hours. So if ever you will close, just close on the off peak, not on the peak time.
I see. Got it, miss.
Mm, mhm.
Um, so free time slot. Um, if ever you file the leave, you must file it on your system and then inform me that you have done filing, and then give me a copy of the filed leave, and then tell me, okay, this cutoff, I will only open, let's say weekly is 48, so minus 8, maybe you filed 1 day leave,
Short.
like that. So it's just to coordinate na, because you will fail in the slots, in free time slots. Another one is, the most important is buying rate. Equally important is buying rate. Buying rate, you know it already, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Tem.
Buying rate, and then what else? The other metrics would be cancellations and lateness. This one is being checked every week. So this is what I announced to you, right? It's the free time slot. It's who has the highest buying rate. Of course, it follows, if you have a high buying rate, it will follow that you have a high NLs. Of course, it's the income coming in for you and for the company, NLs, number of NLs. Uh, and then the cancellations, 4. Okay.
Yes, miss.
So,
Question, miss. Sorry.
but let me just finish
Yes, po.
that. If ever you have a problem in any of the 4, the system will guide you on where to look at in your performance. It will pop up like, how do you solve this problem? Kunwari, cancellations, you failed in the free time slots, or you have several lates, several cancellations. So magpa-pop up yun sa teacher system that you need to accomplish in the assignment task. So you need to check this every day if you can. Okay, in case you got busy, then
Yes, miss.
maybe every 2 days is fine. Okay, go ahead, teacher Phil. Your question
Yes, miss.
is,
Regarding sa leave, miss, it's strictly 8 hours and not in the peak time, miss, right?
leave.
Yeah,
It
leave. Can I take
depends.
the whole day, miss? Is that okay?
Yes, you can take the whole day, or you can take like half day leave, or
Mm,
meron namang time selection. But then now I just realized that before kasi, once you file the leave, you must also manually close what you open
I
since you have
see.
an approved leave. I just heard today that it automatically closes the
That's
approved
awesome.
leave. So, but the
Mm,
problem there is the system is not so accurate in a way that, let's say, you filed 8:26, 12 o'clock to 8:27, let's say 13:30, like that. So sometimes it will close the hours that you did not close.
Mm.
So maybe I don't know how the teacher did it, but it's in the time selection. I haven't really checked it closely. You can probably try to experiment on it. Because, for instance, if you file a leave today, so 8:26 to 8:26, ang lalabas doon is not the whole day, but half day.
Mm.
If there's no
Oh.
time selection. So I haven't figured out the time range. So basta just maybe tell me what you
Okay.
closed. Is it the whole day or is it just few hours?
Mm. I see, miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, miss. And then can we cover
Specific.
those leave, miss, to the next week? Like if we want, we will not take a day off next week just to cover it. Is that okay too?
Oh yeah, of course. You
I see.
mean you will work for 7 days this week and then next week you will have 2
2
days off?
days. Yes, miss. Is that okay?
Not all the time.
I see.
Not all the time because you're supposed to open 6 days a week. But of course, if you have, let's say, my travel ka, then you can arrange it with me.
Yes, miss. Next month,
For
miss. I'll
this
just
specific.
let you po know. Yes, po.
Okay. Yeah.
Just the
Anyway,
2
you
days
are
po.
full time, so it's fine.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, this is what I was asking you to give me some advanced questions which I did not receive.
Sorry,
So,
miss.
but have you checked this, Teacher Phil?
My lesson kasi, miss.
But I sent this yesterday. Okay, Teacher Marl.
Okay.
Yes,
I
Jam.
actually also sent you a link discussing this.
Yeah, the video, Jam, the YouTube.
Hmm?
The video links, Jam, yung sa YouTube po.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct. So,
I didn't finish it.
oh, you're attending the meeting without preparing?
I mean, I already watched some TM, but I wasn't, I mean, not done.
Okay, please check your system. You have access to this drive, right?
Yes, Jam.
Randomly check and then I'll answer your question. Because I'm not going to discuss all of this.
Everything. I see.
I cannot.
Mm.
It's a lot.
Okay, miss.
This is easily gonna cover like more than an hour to 2
Mm.
hours. So scan and then ask me your questions.
Yes,
Quality
Jam.
check. Yes, miss.
I have a question, Tem. Yun nga,
Go.
yung sa further teaching training na part. So,
Is it here?
what is... Yes,
Is
yes,
it this
Tem.
one? Yeah, which one?
Yes.
What number?
Hold on that.
There are 2.
Yes, there, number 7, Tem.
7.
po.
7?
Yung sa taas po. Yung sa taas na number 7 po. Yes, that one po, Tem.
That's what I just answered. What are the 4
Ah,
data the management evaluates on your performance? I just mentioned. I just
yun.
answered your
Okay.
questions. Mm-mm.
But, ano, wait lang. I think it's still, it's not in. Yes, Sam, I already checked the further teaching training yung PowerPoint, and then in that further training quality is still Excel TM. There's a question like, how do TA sell after class?
Okay, can you answer that? Can you imagine how?
What I'm thinking, TM, is that because we do ET classes, and after ET classes, the TAs will check the feedback report and also the video quality, and then
Correct.
later they will say, okay.
That's why you need to complete in time. Because at
I
the
see.
end of your ET, they really don't have much time to wait until you finish, right? They will always pressure you, please complete this, because they are really about to to call the student at the end of your trial class.
Really, Miss?
Yes, and also the student at the end of the ET class, they're probably expecting a call from a TA. So if you haven't finished completing, how do you think the selling will take place after your EP? That is the importance of that.
I see. I
So
see.
actually, when you were new, I did not tell you that you can dispute
What?
as a new teacher, because I wanted you at the beginning to learn how to complete, not
On
to wait
time.
at the 55th minute. Remember, I told you
Yes,
you
yes.
have to finish on the 50th. I could finish. I don't know. Even IMF, I could finish on the 48th minute and be able to complete on the 50th minute. I do not extend 50 seconds. For me, that is a waste of my time. Why?
Really,
That's
Miss? You're
not
on
paid.
time?
That is not paid. The paid amount is only 50 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, makes sense.
If you should aim to be efficient, right?
Okay.
Ilang minutes
Yes,
lang
Miss.
ang mock. If you can finish it for like maximum na nga yung 14 minutes eh. So,
Mm-mm.
if you can finish like maybe 12 minutes, binigyan mo siya ng extra 1 minute, why not? Right? So,
Natatawa
you
ako
have
sa...
to remember that
Okay, Miss.
in the mock test, if you count 30 seconds, tapos for the part 1, 4 minutes, correct? Part 2, 3 minutes. Part 4, 4 minutes. So, pwede mo talagang gawin ng 11 minutes. But if to play safe, you can maximize it to 14 minutes. Meaning to say, kinompute mo na. Kasi if you will deliver all the questions in a mock test, probably mag-exceed ka ng 15, 16 minutes. If you have noticed. For me, I am very, I compute my time. I want to be efficient. Kasi each minute is it's paid or not paid, right? Ganon. So,
Copy me.
especially for ET, I wanted to finish good time, warm up, mock test. Then after that, answer and correction. Naka-time yun. May timer ako. I make it a point for an ET class kasi no student and I have to teach. Then maybe at least I should cover 2 questions if I can, if the student can. Because of course, I cannot spoon feed my student, correct? Pero
Yes,
at the
Miss.
end of the 25th minute, tapos na. Why do you have to teach more? You don't have to, teacher Mark.
Yes,
I
Jem.
do that, Miss.
What
So,
are you doing
okay,
these
so
days?
let's say, sabihin mo nang nag-warm up ka kasi you wanted a good rapport and all that.
Yes, Miss.
7 plus 14, 21,
21.
plus 25, 46. Paano ka mag-exceed ng 55? As it is, meron kang plus 5 minutes for the band score, 51. Tapos course plan, halos pa-ending ka na nun. You can fast track that to 2-3 minutes. Right? So, sabi mo another band score 3 minutes, 54. There's no reason why you extend and do an overtime in each class, teacher Mark. Because
Yeah.
you have another class coming up. So you really cannot say don't say, do you have further questions on something like that towards the end. Dapat umpisa pa lang nagtatanong ka na na like, what's the objective? Then you adjust your methodology. Tapos yung upgrading, doon na yun sa answer and correction. Kung mag-merging topic ka, kasi nag-merging topics na agad si Teacher Mark.
20.
20 minutes lang yun. In fact, si Teacher Phil ang galing kasi pinutol mo yung unang IMF mo, yung NL mo. ET ba yun or NL?
NL,
Tapos
miss, NL.
kinomplete mo dun sa second NL mo.
Yes,
Yung
miss.
F, kinomplete
Yung F
niya.
na lang.
Yung
Yes.
F sa second NL niya. Ganon, hindi siya nag-extend. Because you have a coming up class. The student will understand that.
Okay,
You have to be, you are the captain of your ship. You are the teacher.
Yes, miss.
So you cannot extend the time because you will be late for this class and the incoming class. And then you won't be paid. No. Don't aim for you won't be paid.
Okay, Tem.
So
Okay.
na-late ka na, hindi ka pa paid. Tapos yung ET class hindi pa completed on time.
Deduction not paid.
Nagko-complicate
Yes, miss.
Nagko-complicate yung problem if you don't stick to time. Kasi yun talagang ET. You have to stick to time. So kung kinukulang ka ng time sa answer and correction, mag-cut ka dun sa umpisa, warm up. Mag-cut ka dun sa mock test, gawin mong 11, 12. So may extra 2 minutes ka sa mock, may extra 2 minutes ka sa warm up. I-add mo yun sa answer correction.
I have a question. Like example, because I encountered a student who asks a lot of questions, even in answer correction, Tim. And it's already time. Like, is it okay to stop? Or I mean to
What you can do is it okay? Let me just walk you through your band score feedback. So, kino-complete mo na yung band score feedback. Kino-complete mo na yung course plan. Tapos, bumalik ka sa answer correction. Pero basically, mako-complete mo na yung system. Kasi meron ka ng band score.
okay,
Diba?
okay.
Na-click mo na
Yeah,
rin yung
that's what I
course
do,
plan.
miss. Yes, miss.
Tapos, let's go back to your question. So, ngayon, na-complete mo na si system, pero yung VOV ka mag-extend. Tama?
True.
Sa VOV ka lang nag-extend, hindi dun sa ano mo, sa system.
Sa BSR.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's okay pala. Okay, Tim.
Ganon, strategize mo in such a way na makaka-complete ka in time. And then I'll answer that question. But please let me walk you through the next phase so that we can
First.
complete this. Ganon.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, in your GE,
Yes, miss.
any questions? Because also in the GE, it's kind of long, right? Yung GE material. May video, may mga activities and all
Yes,
that.
miss.
And you
Short lang
also
yung
need
time.
to do evaluation. What can you do? Anong ninja move mo dyan, Teacher Phil?
Oh my gosh. I couldn't tell, miss, if I haven't tried it yet. I mean, in the demo, it's different. But with the real student, kasi sa first ET ko, miss, first two, I was late. But after that, I was never late now because I know the petting. I know the things.
Is this the GE or the IELTS?
I'm thinking like I'm doing the same, miss. Maybe sa GE. I need to learn it first, miss. Question, miss, sa pag-give ng feedback, we don't need to show it to the students, miss, right? Like that we're
You need
scoring
to show
them.
everything at the beginning. So I just quote you that if you want like a bigger video and the students seem advanced, then you can just show your video. And then as you start the material, that's when you share screen. Pero kung kakailanganin ni student yung outline, how to introduce themselves, or you are talking about yourself, so baka kailangan niya yon, just so
Okay.
the student can follow where you are, you need to share the screen. It depends on the student's level.
The scoring, miss.
Uh,
Can we share it to the student?
yeah,
We
until
can.
the end. Until the end.
I didn't do it in the demo, but yeah, but
You
it's
didn't
okay.
do in the demo.
I mean, I showed it the level, but I didn't do it how. Paano yung score niya
You
each
should
part?
discuss.
I should. I see.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
how I
miss.
taught you.
Yes, miss. Sorry.
That's how I taught you. How I taught you, that's what's gonna be in the
I
real
I see. I remember now.
ET class in GE. Just like your fluency is like this, you need to discuss. And then while you type the study suggestions, you need to show. Yeah.
Yes, miss. Focus
So
ako sa
beginning
video
until
ni
end, ang share
video
screen.
ni Miss Kisha. Sa video ni Miss Kisha kasi I think it was not shown at the last part.
Mali siya.
Yeah. Yes,
Mali
miss. It
siya.
was not shown. So sino ba susundin ko dito? Yung video or si Miss?
Hindi, mali si Kisha.
Okay, miss.
But what I wanted to share with you is Kisha's demeanor.
Right,
Diba
right.
very light yung demeanor ni Kisha? Very kikay. Ano.
Yes, miss.
Yes. TM, I have a question for GE classes. Like, just like teacher Kisha, I observed that she's speaking Chinese sometimes to praise her students. Is
Yeah.
that okay? Like, 非常好,很好.
Yes.
Is that okay? Oh,
Really,
oh,
miss.
okay.
I see.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
But I don't know, so it's okay.
Okay. Another question, TM. I had a class.
Parang greeting or praise lang naman yun, di ba? So that's okay.
Okay. Last night, TM, I had, was it ET or like NLGE? But it's only 25 minutes. And then, do I have to finish all the materials?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
No.
Yeah, I didn't finish because
or if the level of the student is low level, even if it's an ET class, even if you wanted to finish, you cannot, right? Because low level. You can. All you needed to do is be able to evaluate at the end and give the student the beginner's level, so
That's
that
good to
when they
know.
study with you, it'll be a similar material.
I see.
okay. So that's important. 25 minutes.
Okay, should I share again or you have more questions?
Question, miss.
Okay.
Sa file, miss, sa QA quality check, QC quality check, it says here na mag-give po kayo ng feedback sa first students namin sa GE. Like, getting the feedback from the student and letting us know what is the feedback.
I give you the feedback. PM
Yes,
will
miss.
give you the feedback.
That's gonna happen.
For ET class, I can get that from your from the TA assigned. From the class detail, you can see the ID and all that, right?
Yes, miss.
On the part of the TA, meron dong TA, andun yung name. You can give me the ID and the name of the TA, and then I'll ask what happened to that PT, if you're curious with that specific student.
Okay. If curious lang, but not necessary, I see. Copy, miss.
There are instances that teacher after maybe 10, yung naka-low buying rate,
Okay.
yung after 10 ETs, you will be in a tracker of low buying rate teachers. Yun ngayon yung problema ko. How do I help you? So that is in coordination with the TA, like if they have some suggestions or what was the feedback of the student
I see.
from the several ETs, that I can relate to the teacher. Why what happened?
I see. Thanks, miss.
Yeah, then I relate to you. Actually, if you can see here, these are some questions, right? As a new teacher, you should be able to know what it is that can improve your class. Just like, what can you do to keep NL students coming back and enroll in your class? Mga ganon. So,
Good quality.
yeah. The thing is, for some teachers, they have a high buying rate, but they cannot keep their students for NL.
That's also a problem, Miss, no?
There are many factors. One would be engagement, connection with the student. That's a very big factor, yung engagement. Kasi there are some teachers who would just be robotic. Like, they see the material and they ask the question, and then
Correct
they
again.
really don't hear the answer of the student and reply to that answer. Or some would have the mistake of the student is trying to express, but they are not supportive of the student's answers. You have to encourage openness and try to let them speak. Some teachers are, it's crazy, but some teachers can be, they talk more than the student. You know, they're not mindful that the students are here they want to practice the language,
more.
to be able
Speaking.
to express their ideas. And you, teacher, you should be supportive, like, wow, you're doing great in expressing yourself, and the praise that they need, the confidence that they
Appreciation.
would need, the supportive environment to be able to express themselves. Yung ibang teacher, uunahan pa si student na mag-express, na mag-chika. The students are not here to chika. They're
Yes,
here
ma'am.
to be able to express their ideas. Yung iba, sosoplahin pa si student. Merong ganon. Merong ganon. Sa sobrang
Really?
galing ni teacher, sinopla pa. Parang you cannot compare your level of expertise to your students. Di ba?
Makes sense.
So, basically, you're there to guide. Let them speak. Praise them if it's needed. That's what you need to keep your NL students. Yung iba nadi-discriminate pa.
Really, Miss, the accent?
Let's say they would say, oh, halimbawa, teacher said, you look so pretty. You look like a Korean actress or something like that, even if the student said she's Chinese. Do you think if you're Chinese and you praised me because you said I look like a Korean actress or model, well, do you think I'll be happy with that? Like, I'm pretty because I look Korean. Sinabi ko na nga, Chinese ako. Cannot I be pretty when I'm Chinese? So be careful, be mindful. That's how you take care of your Chinese students. So I think you watch some Chinese movies, right?
Chinese dramas, sometimes TM.
You
Yes.
can maybe know a little bit about the culture that can
Yes.
in your discussion,
Documentaries.
especially in GE. Because GE is exchange of culture na eh. Diba? Kung ano yung sinabi niya, magfa-follow up question ka,
True, yes,
magfa-comment
ma'am.
ka. But then,
Yes.
wag ka masyadong chumika. Let her speak more. And then give feedback. Ganun naman ang GE eh. Ang nangyayari, nag-express si student, either binara ni teacher or hindi supported yung idea, sinopla agad. Or nagsalita si student, si teacher, chumika ng matindi. Pag nakapagsalita ba siya, hindi masyado. Nabigyan mo ba siya ng feedback? Hindi masyado kasi chumika ka eh. May teacher pag ganito, na late ng 10 minutes, nag-apologize. Okay lang. Tama naman talaga mag-apologize eh. Na-late na nga ng, 15 minutes pala. Na-late na nga ng 15 minutes. Nag-apologize, pero the next 5 to 10 minutes, you know how it is. nag-ramble on life story.
Really, nag-share?
Yeah, like,
Nag-sharing?
to have kids, it's like this, it's really hard. Na-late ka na nga.
Nag-rant pa, ganun.
15 minutes, 10 minutes, chumika ka pa ng kung bakit ka na late.
Oh my gosh.
Mm.
May ganon. Nasa
Yeah.
team yan. Naloloka ako.
Really, miss?
Oh.
You have to be really mindful.
May additional miss? Okay.
Yan yung sa NL So,
Parang sensitive din po sila, TM.
sorry,
They are also sensitive din po, TM, no?
sensitive? What do you mean?
I mean, like, hindi, ano ba? Ay, hindi, never mind, TM.
May isa si Teacher Rickley, he has the most, his salary is 60,000, may get 60
Really,
plus.
miss?
66 na ata siya.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh, that's so
wow.
cool.
As
He
long as you've
opens
been
like
I wanna
working.
have that.
Teacher field mga 11, 12 hours. You open like that, right?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Sanay kasi ako, miss, sa previous company, miss. Like,
Yeah,
ganyan
like that.
talaga ako
So,
mag-open.
ang style niya, I sent you the link, right, of Teacher Rickley.
I've watched
Yes,
this, miss,
TM.
all
I watched
throughout.
it also.
He would ask questions that will be difficult for students, so that
Yes.
the teacher will have more opportunity to correct them. So
Mm.
I haven't even thought of that too, but that's a good.
I see.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's to keep the NL, because NL, if you have the most NL, fantastic. Talagang but mind you have to balance the quality of your class and the
True.
number of NLs. Because Teacher Weekly, wala akong problem sa quality. Madami siyang classes, pero wala siyang a lot of cancellations or lates or those problems. So kailangan nakabalance yung quality. Quality yung mga lates, yung cancellations, equipments, negative feedback. Negative feedback is yung mga equipment, yung headset, yung PC health. You should know how to maintain the PC health kung heavy ang classes mo. Tapos, internet. Ready ka dapat sa backup.
Yes, miss.
Kasi actually nakita mo, Teacher Marl, ang bilis ng NL mo. Magaan, di ba? Magaan ang pasok ng students. It's for you to keep the student. Unlike in IELTS, medyo after 2-3 days, asa na sila, maybe wala na.
Sisilang sila, miss.
But
Yes
in
po.
GE, tuloy-tuloy yan. So, ang dapat mo lang siguraduhin, yung health mo, yung health ng mga equipments mo, you have to be ready with all your backups because it will flow. The NL students will flow. ETNN. So let's say 8 classes are booked NL. Tapos naka-open ka ng 10-11 hours. Papasukan pa ng ET yun. So swerte na lang kung makakapasok pa yung IELTS. But be ready kung may pumasok na IELTS. But the thing is, I cannot just make you GE teachers. Remember, please do not forget IELTS. Kasi ang magiging problem is bongga ka sa GE. Pagdating sa IELTS, ang dami mong reklamo. Hindi mo pwedeng kaligtaan or kalimutan si IELTS. Because ang banner ng Partner English is IELTS, not GE. Although there are many students in GE. And it can bring you income. Okay. Any questions? Ito.
To avoid compromise.
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers,
I'll give you
ever
some
since
time.
feedback.
Can you give me like 1 minute? Check these files. Even your side, if you have questions. Yeah. May file
Okay,
kayo niyan.
Yes po.
Sandali
Yes,
lang.
miss.
Wait lang. I'm back.
Hi, Miss.
So,
Welcome back.
for GE, most of the feedback will be class notes and not enough feedback. So you make sure that you have class notes at the beginning until ending. Kasi pag kunwari isang part lang, kunwari sentences corrections lang, that's not enough. And also your knowledge expansion is also very important.
Yes,
That's
Miss.
Oh,
all.
yes,
That's all.
That's
I
the
should
common
work on
miss.
it.
I see.
Yeah. Also for because there are some activities, right? You have to make sure that the activities that you will mention, because you will be leading the students in role play or in the activities, you make sure that you have read and understood the activity. Kasi may mga feedback na it's due to that because teacher is like routinary or I don't know, did not prepare very well. Mali yung mali yung intindi ni teacher, mali yung ginawa nila. And at the same time, teacher will be absent-minded. Sometimes will be, kunwari, having a class, right? It's important for you to connect with your students, to hear your students and engage, right? Like whatever they said, you answer, reply to that statement. So, but the teacher is not doing that. For some reason, teacher will be like checking or looking down. Sometimes teacher will smile or laugh, not related to the topic. You see that maybe the teacher is doing something else.
Right.
Yes, dear.
But
Oh.
I know it if the teacher won't admit to that. But why there's a negative feedback? Kasi remember there are questionnaires or surveys at the end of the class. So the Chinese students aren't stupid. Even if their level of speaking is not great, they're not stupid.
True.
They love to study. So yung eye contact, you'll have to look at the camera and speak them. But if teacher is like babasahin, tapos titingin sa baba, magta-type pero walang nagre-reflect sa class notes, isn't it obvious teacher is doing something else?
Yes.
That's why.
May
I see.
ganon. Nasa team din. So,
Nasa team.
because
Binibigay sa'yo, Miss.
that's what I do.
Sorry,
I maintain the quality. So I check the classes. And I really don't check the classes if there's no problem. See? And I don't get to check the classes if there's no feedback. Okay. So, pagdating sa mga ETs, usually yan yung may feedback. Yan yung failed rate is totally humindi si student. Yan yung failed rate. ET, yan. Failed buying rate report. Merong failed trial, hindi siya talaga bumili. Meron namang failed trial black, meaning
Undecided.
hindi siya sure. Oo. Undecided. Meron namang bumili agad. Tapos merong buying rate failed, no result. Hindi natin alam bakit hindi siya.
Yes, Tam, I have a question for that one. In my IELTS, Tam, I really have a lot of failed trial black. So, is there like do the TAs give deadlines for students to give feedback? Like how many days they can give feedback, or really no update at all?
I have no idea as to that. But if you have some questions on specific TAs, on those ETs, let me know who is the TA. I can ask them. Because I know with Teacher Marl, you have several ETs that doesn't have any result. So,
yes,
buhay sa'yo ngayon, NL. Kaya
Opo.
minamadali ko rin. Kasi you
Mm.
need it.
Mm.
But as
Same.
to
Okay.
why the students didn't buy, I still do not know. Because you passed
Mm.
your EPs. You passed your NLs. So,
Mm.
kung ang result of that class ID is failed trial block, let me know. I'm going to ask the TA.
Okay po, Tem. Okay po.
Okay.
For TAs, TM, then I get confused. Who should I tag
Where? Sorry.
when the student is late?
In
Sorry, TM. It's not in there.
IELTS, you don't have to tag anyone. Or you can
Okay.
tag at TA. Pero pagdating sa GE, sino yung nilagay ko na open and close? Dennis? Wala.
Oh, yes po. Dennis
Si
po.
Dennis. At Dennis team.
Mm.
Dennis.
Okay.
Specific TA. So for you,
Okay.
Teacher Phil, pag
Yes.
nasubmit mo na yung intro mo,
Yes, ma'am.
magkakaroon ka ng dalawa. Isang IELTS, isang GE.
Mm.
Tapos yung isa yung GE features mo, nasa tracker ka ng GE. Like how they are gonna match you with students. And then after enrollment, they will give me your TA. Then I'll create another GC for you, which will be one is IELTS for you now and the other one is for GE. So ngayon, there are times na most of the time magkaiba yung content. But may times din na pareho lang naman for both GCs of IELTS and GE. Pero usually for GE, iba ang training content. Kasi nag-optimize pa, kaya may new GE. It's because ino-optimize pa yung system ng new GE. So in your case, Teacher Phil, like Teacher Marl, inopen ko na yung GE, Daily English, tsaka Business English because she
Akin?
passed already. I opened hers, kaya may NL na siya.
Okay.
Tsaka EP. So
Okay,
ngayon,
miss.
but she, what training haven't you finished, Teacher Marl? Tapos na ba yung ano? You need to update me para malaman ko. Para malaman ko ano yung mga i-open ko sa system mo.
Mm.
So for you, Teacher Phil, pagka na-upload ko na yung and na-announce na kita as a new GE teacher, I can also open that.
Yes.
Meantime, there are a list. So pwede mong unahin yung system of GE at saka yung what else? Because in GE, there's job interviews, Teacher Mark, too, and post-grad interviews. These are different from BE and GE. Magkaiba yon.
I see.
So ngayon, you can, in as much as you learned already the GE and the BE, you have a choice. Whether you go in-depth first in DingTalk, yun lang naka-open, or you can open BE and GE, and then unahin mo, Teacher Phil, yung kunwari lang post-grad interview and job interview. So that, pag natapos mo yon, i-open ko na 4.
I see.
So ngayon, habang naka-open yung 4, babalikan mo ngayon yung DingTalk ng GE tsaka BE.
Quick lang siya. Quick lang siya, Teacher Marl, matapos. Quick lang yung DingTalk. DingTalk naman.
It takes quite time kasi yung minutes niya minsan may sample videos na you have to watch like class demo ganun. It takes around 50 minutes around something, but for the rest of the trainings it's around just few minutes lang naman. Pero may quizzes din. So
short lang ang post-grad tsaka job interview, but you need to be quick in typing, and then you both have a good background in outsourcing. So other business transactions. So no problem in that.
Okay.
But with regards to postgrad and job interviews, most of the students there have some, targeted specialties. Just like, kunwari, yung mga software ng mobile phone. So if you're not familiar with that, you need to be able to ask. Usually the TAs will inform you. Kunwari,
Okay.
at teacher field, student ID, tapos student aims to blah, 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 learn about, discuss about, ganyan. So background, the student. So for those students, you need to do a background research
Yes,
of
miss.
that field. Yan ang kailangan sa GE.
Okay.
You need a little preparation.
Miss, I have tried, miss. There is this one student in EP IELTS. Hindi kami nag-speaking test. We just did his presentation because he is a master of English in grammar, pronouns,
Oh.
something.
Ah.
Yes, miss. And then what we did is like I just gave feedback on him on his presentation. That's all. But we didn't do any speaking test.
No, the
And
thing
I hope he's happy.
the thing with some Chinese who are, let's say, even doctorate, masters or doctorate,
Yes, miss.
don't be intimidated because number one, comprehension wise, magaling pa rin ang Pilipino.
Okay, miss.
Comprehension wise or sentence structure wise, we can do that way better than them, even if they're in their doctorate or the ones that do academic papers.
Yes, miss.
Usually, when the Chinese students are in the advanced stages, let's say kahit level 12, ganyan. Hindi in IELTS, yung level 12 ng like 5-1 talk, yun ang highest ng 5-1 talk eh. Ang sentence structure nila napakahaba. It's just like paragraph. Hindi nila alam gawa ng complex and compound sentences. So, parang 3 ideas in one sentence. Ganon ang mga nila, advanced students that parang what? What is the idea?
Yeah.
So, you cut it for them. You organize for them kasi very complicated yung ideas nila sa isang sentence. Yan ang characteristics ng advanced. So don't
I
be
see.
intimidated. Kasi
Yes,
mas
miss.
magaling talaga tayo dyan.
Okay, I think he's happy naman, miss.
Hmm.
Hawa.
Kinabahan lang ako kasi master's degree daw siya sa Manchester, I think. Yeah, that's somewhere in the
If
US.
we get cut off because nag-prompt na siya, we can
Yes.
just re-enter.
Miss, I have
wait
3
lang,
lessons po
you have 3
after
o'clock.
this.
You have 3
Yes
o'clock.
po.
Oo nga pala.
And
Teacher
3 of
Marl,
them.
Yes po.
do you need to go, Teacher Phil?
Yes, miss. I have 80
Okay.
po.
Okay.
Thank
may
you,
go.
miss. Please check
Alright.
my script, miss. I can make a video tonight. Okay.
Tonight.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Please
Okay.
check my script. Yes, miss.
I did. Do you have a new one?
Yes, miss.
But
The
I
last
did
one.
check it already.
You did? You put the check, miss? Okay. Thank you, miss.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you, Teacher Mal. Bye-bye. See you around.
Bye.
Okay.
Oo.
Teacher Marl, yung
Yeah.
di ba you had a hard time completing? What you need to do in the, how do you call this, in the band score feedback, right?
Oh, yes.
Have a ready notepad for that.
Like template na po.
Lalo na yung sa grammatical range and accuracy. Paulit-ulit lang yan. You can just copy-paste which one is applicable. Pati dun sa pronunciation, intonation, yon pwede mo rin yung meron ka ng template. Tapos, of course, dun sa lexical resource, kailangan mo lang naman na to put specific examples. So, have more advanced words, tapos idiomatic expressions, collocations. Tapos yun na lang ang ilalagay mo yung examples. Right? Tapos, Anong parati ring kulang dun sa fluency and coherence? Connectives, right?
Connectors,
Score
discourse
starters.
markers.
Copy paste para mabilis ka na dun. Examples na lang.
Okay, TM. I have a question pa, TM. Yung sa overall feedback, TM, like, is there any specific sentences we should put in there or just really general feedback sa
General
student?
feedback.
Ah,
General feedback on where they should improve on. Where's the strength and where's the weakness? Overall. General feedback. Unlike yung isa, naka-breakdown, di ba? Yung isa is overall.
mm,
So siguro,
Wow.
if you will have maybe characteristics, kunwari, ang band score niya is between 5 and 6, 6.5 to 7, siguro mag-ready ka na rin ng text for that, for overall, para hindi ka na mahirapan. I actually have some text about the band score. I will try to find it. So, hindi ka na
Okay, TM.
mahirapan.
Sige, TM. That's easier.
So, do you have any more things to ask me?
Yes, TM, but it's not in the quality check questions.
Oh,
It's in the yes, but it's in the PowerPoint yung sa further teaching training. One
Can
mentioned.
you share? Can you share your screen?
Okay, TM. I'm sorry. I clicked. Okay. Can you see it po, TM?
Okay.
TM?
Yeah.
Okay. Saan nga ulit yun? Saan ba yun? Here, TM, yung sa ano, made mistakes in spelling or grammar. So, for example po, like I use Grammarly, like it's installed in my Chrome. So, if I share my screen, so syempre they will see some grammar mistakes or spelling mistakes. Like, do they also like think that my teacher is not good in like this and that, like what?
For the Grammarly, it's a requirement for us to install that, right? It's to correct the typographical errors. But when it comes to grammar, it's common that we make some mistakes, right? We edit it out. So
Yes,
no
TM.
problem with that as long as you don't Google and you ask Google, is it is or are or any or some? You know what I mean?
Okay, TM. Basic grammar, okay.
Because you edit it based on how you comprehend the sentence, right?
Yes,
So it's
TM.
fine to edit it as long as you spot it. The thing is, where the complaint is coming from is when the teacher will be reflecting a wrong correction. Example, student says, kunwari, the sentence, and then yung correction ni teacher mali sa grammar. Anong naging problem? It's not because teacher doesn't know the correct grammar. Teacher used an app to correct the grammar. And the app made a mistake. Ganun ka, sorry to say, but I mean, the teacher is a graduate in secondary education, major in English. I said, why do you have to use an app? Why don't you use your mind? Correct. You don't have to use an app. Tingnan mo na mali pa.
So what did the student say to him about it? Like complain. Yeah. Let's see. Natakot. Okay, TM. So far, nasa disciplinary correction, base content. Yeah, I think so far that's all for today, TM. My questions.
So for the inaccurate score, that goes both ways for IELTS and GE. So yeah, just be very careful in giving a very low score. Yun yung usually nagkaka-problem. Yung less than 5 for IELTS. Or yung mga nag-e-effort na naka 5 pa rin for IELTS. When it comes to GE naman, hindi naman ang nagiging problem sa GE is the teacher will be giving the student a very high score even if they're a beginner. So
Ah,
teacher
oh my
will
God.
be giving a very generous score and the students know that their level is not good. Dapat beginner pa lang or intermediate. Bakit ginawa siyang advanced? Yun naman ang nagiging problem sa scoring in GE so far sa
Sa GE.
encounter. Okay,
Sa
anything?
IELTS, I think I have that tendency. Oh my God. Oh, I have to be careful.
Yeah. Any other questions here in further teaching training?
None so far, Tam.
Okay, can you
Yeah, I
stop
think none
sharing,
so far.
teacher?
Okay.
Or, yeah. Okay. So this is the end of the quality check. In case you have questions, feel free to ask me, Teacher Marl. Kagabi hindi ka nagtanong sa akin.